One of my favorite times of the year is when the cherry blossoms are blooming. I am inspired to make this cherry blossom hair claw, and I'll walk you through my process today. Start with a sheet of shrink plastic and a template of the cherry blossoms. The template will help you draw the design on the sheet. You could get this exact printable template from my Etsy store at tdesignstudio.etsy.com. Here, you would find other templates for shrink plastic, such as one for the strawberry bracelet or jellyfish mobile. For those of you who visited my shop and got some of these templates, thank you so much for your support. It means a lot to me as a creator. Next are the tools. Here I have a heat gun to heat up the plastic. Something to color, I use soft pastel, and a tool to press and form the flower piece. Some tweezers, scissors, a soft sponge to help with shaping, flower stamens, jewelry glue, I use E5000, and a hair claw. Tape the shrink plastic over the design template and begin to trace. I use the pink pencil crayon for tracing so that the color of the outlines blend in when I start coloring. I picked out pink, purple, and red soft pastel for coloring. Add a bit of color to the sheet. Use your fingers to blend or spread the pigments around. After I finish blending, I use a pink pencil crayon to add details of the flowers. Now it's ready to be cut. The trick is to cut each flower in a simple shape and then trim. This is because the shrink plastic is not as flexible as a piece of paper per se. Trying to trim it right off might be a bit challenging. Use a heat gun to shrink the cutout. If you don't have a heat gun, I believe you can heat it up in the oven. Make sure you check the instruction on your sheet plastic. While the plastic is still hot, use a molding tool or anything with a round shape to press it on a sponge. This will create a volume and dimension for the flowers. For this flower, I want the color to be a little bit deeper and more saturated. So I went over the original coloring with a pencil crayon and I used a smudging stick to smudge the color around, just to make it a little bit smoother. This one, during the shaping process, I pinch all the petals together to make a bud. This step is optional but recommended. Seal the pigments with a coating spray. If you have UV resin, you can use that too. Make sure you spray on the side you color in. Let it dry per the spray instructions. Use E5000 glue to glue the stamens to each flower. I added a pearl on top of the stamen. I think it goes so well together. And this probably goes without saying, repeat these steps for all the flowers. Add some variation, such as different type of stamens or different shape or forms of the flower. Lastly, find some good spots to glue the flowers to the hair claw. Let it dry on one side, and then do the other side as well. And here it is, so fitting for spring and summer. You could use the same cherry blossom template for other projects, such as these earrings. Check out my store at tdesignstudio.etsy.com for more design. And as for today, thanks for the watch. Bye for now.